Sick of re-downloading massive game files just because you're switching launchers? Let's transfer your existing Steam game data to Epic Games and save yourself hours and gigabytes. First things first, ensure you have the game installed and launched at least once on the Epic Games launcher. This is crucial because it creates the necessary folders and configuration files on your PC that Epic needs. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and install the game via Epic. Launch it briefly, and then close it. Next, we need to find your game files on Steam. Games are typically installed in your Steam library folder. Open up File Explorer and navigate to your Steam library. You can usually find it by going to Steam Settings Downloads Steam Library. Folders. Common locations include program files x86 Steam Steam Apps Common. Once you locate your Steam library, open the Steam Apps folder, and then the Common folder. Inside Common, you'll find a folder for each game you have installed through Steam. Find the specific game you want to transfer. Now, let's find the corresponding folder for that same game within your Epic Games installation directory. By default, Epic Games installs games in a folder like C program files Epic Games. You'll find a folder here that matches the game's name. Here's the key step. Carefully copy the entire game folder from the Steam Common directory. Do not cut it. Always copy it. This ensures you still have a backup on your Steam installation. After copying, navigate to the Epic Games installation folder. Locate the games folder or the empty folder if you just installed it, and paste the copied game files directly into it if prompted. Choose to replace any existing files. This might take a while depending on the game size, so grab yourself a drink. Once the file transfer is complete, open the Epic Games launcher. It should now recognize that the game files are already present. Instead of downloading the entire game, it will likely perform a quick verification of the files. Click Install or Resume and watch it do its magic. Usually much faster than a full download. And there you have it. Your game files are transferred, saving you time and bandwidth. Happy gaming on Epic!